Hi guys, wish you all a Merry Christmas. It's the Christmas month and the New Year is also coming. In the coming videos, I'm also going to wish you the Happy New Year, but it's a little early. Yeah, welcome to the channel again. And as you see, the regular videos coming up now because we're bringing in more and more information, obviously related to businesses in Dubai. So, and also excuse me for the glasses because I got eye strain. So yeah, so now basically this video is about the bank account, opening a bank account in Dubai, especially the business bank account. As a lot of people have asked me repeated questions about the business bank account. I know it's kind of difficult, but not impossible. It takes a little time. If you understand the process, if you know how to go through the process, you can open the bank account for any business in UAE. It's really not a problem at all. It's just that you should know the process, you should know where to go. If you understand that and if you know that, then obviously it's not going to be a problem. Though it takes a little time with the bank account opening. I mean, it's not that you apply today and it opens in 2 3 days. Yeah, I know in some countries it's very quick, it happens within a week's time, but here the business bank account takes time. Sometimes it takes a month, 45 days. That's like average timelines for a business bank account. How do you open a bank account and for which free zone or mainland license is the easiest to open a bank account? So free, whether you have a license from free zone or you have a license from the mainland, no problem. It's just that you need to have all the documents in place. You need to have your trade license, you need to have your Emirates ID, you need to have your visa, and you also need to have a presentation profile about your business and your business plans, which you'll need to make. For example, you opened a new business, so you need to have a PowerPoint presentation saying that, okay, this is my business, these are my plans in next 5 years, this is what I'm going to achieve, this is the vision, this is the mission about yourself as a promoter or the owner of the company. So these things have to be in that profile, and the bank will ask you for that. Okay. The other thing that you'll need is you will also need the bank statement of your account. If you have a savings account already or a personal banking account in UAE, you can use that. If you don't have that, then you need to get a bank account statement from your country, statement of an active bank account, and you use that and submit it into the bank. Also remember the statement has to be certified by the bank, right? It has to be stamped. So they don't accept generally without certifying. So these are the documents that you need to keep ready beforehand. Once you have these documents, it's a very simple process, right? You need to fill an application, uh, upload all the documents, all right? The bank will call you, get in touch with you. Maybe they will want to meet you to talk about the business, what exactly is the nature of your business and things like that. And once that is done, they will process it. You will get a temporary bank account number, and in a couple of days or maybe a week, you might get your bank account active and you can start using your bank account. You'll get your checkbook, you'll also get your debit card and things like that. Now, if you want to make this process more easier, so what I suggest is first you should open a personal banking account in UAE because it makes your business bank account more easier if you already have an account here. So opening a personal bank account is very easy. You go online and go to the application of any bank, upload all your documents. As I said, same documents, your passport copy, your Emirates ID, your visa, and things like that. Once you upload that, they authenticate it. After authentication, usually same day or the next day, your personal banking account is operational. They deliver your card, your debit card, your checkbook, and everything. So you start depositing money in there, do some transactions. It's good for your profile to open your bank account. Okay. Now, if people are telling you it's very difficult, like the other day, someone told me that it's very difficult to open a bank account if you open a company with a free zone. No, it's not. It's not. It's just that if you don't have the right documents, if you don't have the right profile of your company, if you don't know what all to present to the bank, then yes, it's difficult. Otherwise, it's not difficult. There are people who will ask you, okay, we will open the bank account for you and we need 15,000 dirham and we need this. No, you don't need to do that. It's a very simple process. You can do it literally yourself. I have opened my bank accounts for my companies myself. I didn't go to any consultant, didn't pay a penny to anyone, opened my bank accounts, they're all operational and I'm using them. So why do you want to, spend your money on the consultants and pay them for something that you could do yourself? So as I always say, if you have questions, reach out to me on my Instagram, which is asif_war. You can reach out to me and I will answer your questions there. Maybe I will also share my WhatsApp number with you. If you want to email me, it's asif, ASIFWAR 2012 at gmail.com. So you can reach out to me with your questions, no problem. I'm available as soon as I have the time. I will reply to your email or I will write to you on Instagram, inshallah. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel because this is going to bring you more information about things that you'll want to do, the business that you'll want to do, tricks of the trade, registrations, renewals, bank accounts, and everything else. So I request you to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you like this content, please share this video, like this video, and also, as I said, don't believe what everyone else is coming and telling you that no, you need a consultant to register your business, no, you need a consultant to open a bank account. You don't. You can do everything yourself. So be confident. You have questions, I'm there for you. My office is right here in Dubai near Mall of Emirates. Whenever you want to visit, this place is open for you for discussions, for a coffee, for anything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love all of you and do subscribe to the channel. Take care.